You all to the session. This session we are going to discuss a new chapter which is closely related to your trial balance chapter, which is rectification of errors. So under rectification of errors, now what is this chapter is all about? In the process of accounting, you may have some errors that may pop up. Okay, so this chapter is all about rectifying those errors. Okay, so we have to understand what are the various classification of errors. Number one, error of omission. Number two, error of commission. Number three, error of principal. And number four, compensating errors. So we are going to have a bird eye view of the various types of errors. Number one, error of omission. If you omit a certain entry without recording, either partially or completely, then it will come under error of commission. Then error of omission. Then the second one is error of commission. Error of commission is while posting into the ledger, you may have certain errors that may pop up. That is called as error of commission. Error of commission are of four types: error of recording, error of casting. Error of casting is nothing but a mistake is committed in totaling. When a mistake is committed in totaling, then it is called as error of casting. Then error in carrying forward. Error in carrying forward is when you're carrying forward from one page to the another page, then this error pop up. You just carry forward the wrong amount. Okay, so then error of posting is when you are posting into the ledger account, you post it in the wrong ledger, so that is called as error of posting. The third category of error is error of principal. That is treating revenue expenditure as capital expenditure and vice versa. Then compensating errors are one error will compensate the another error, so it will both will match. Okay, this will be like a coincidence. Okay, that is called as compensating errors. So I just want you to understand by doing a certain problem. This problem, it's a very practical chapter, so we'll straight away start doing problems. So the first problem that we are going to do is problem number 3. So how will you rectify the following errors? You have sales book is overcast by 5,000. Okay. Second one is sales return book is shortcasted by 500. Then balance of sales book is carried forward in excess by rupees 1000. Balance of sales return book is carried forward in excess by rupees 100. Okay, so first let us write the first transaction. So I'm just going to write it here. So when sales book is overcasted, so you need to write the entry. So see, you need to understand that it is overcasted. So you need to write it this way. Sales book is overcasted means excess credit. Okay, so excess credit, in order to cancel, you need to debit it. So sales account debit. Usually sales will be credited. So excess credit has to be cancelled. So you are debiting 5,000. I do not know what account is to be credited, so I am just crediting suspense account. Okay, if you do not know what account to be credited, you just write suspense account. Okay, so this is the first transaction. The second transaction, it's given sales return book is short cast by rupees 500. Rupees 500. Now in this case, it is short cast. So sales return is to be excess, no, deficit of debit, right? So short debit. Okay, because it is short casted means the total, instead of writing 10,000, the total they have written only 9,500, which means it is cost short by 500. So in that case you have to write sales return account debit to suspense account. Okay, to suspense account. So this is the entry. The third entry is balance of sales book is carried forward in excess by rupees 1000. Balance of sales book is carried forward in excess by rupees 1000. So in this case, carry it forward in excess, which means it is excess credit. Okay, so excess credit has to be cancelled. So I am debiting sales account debit to suspense account. Okay, 1000. This is 500. Okay, now the third transaction is over. The fourth transaction is balance of sales return book is carried forward in excess by rupees 100. Now this is the transaction. Balance of sales return book is carried forward in excess by rupees 100. In this case, sales return, it is excess debit. Okay, sales return book usually you will debit it, but carried forward in excess by rupees 100, so it is an excess debit. So in order to cancel it, you need to credit sales return account. Here it is suspense account debit. So how much? 100. So this is the end of the problem number 3. So we have completed the problem number 3. Look into this. I have taken the 6th problem here. So 6th problem, sales to Vinod of rupees 143 posted to his account as 134. So actual sales is how much? 143. So 143 minus 134, we will be getting 9 rupees as the difference. Yes, so it is Vinod. So it is, we have to credit this to the sales. So Vinod account debit to sales account. Being rupees 9 was posted less in Vinod account, now rectified. Being rupees 9 posted less to Vinod account, now rectified. Okay, so that is 9 here and 9 here. So this transaction is over. The next one, sales to Vinod of rupees 143 debited to his account as 134. Debited to his account, posted to his account. So there is a everything means the same. Okay, so debited to his account. So same transaction, Vinod account debit to sales account 9. Only the wording is different, so everything means the same. The same will be here. Wrongly debited, you have to write being 9 rupees posted, being 9 rupees wrongly debited to his account, less, being rupees 9 less debited to his account, now debited. Okay, now rectified. That will be your narration. Then sales to Vinod of rupees 143 credited to his account as 134. So see, credited, sales to Vinod of rupees 143 credited to his account as 134. Actually, how much is to be credited? It has to be credited as 134. But how much it is actually credited? 143. So what I have to do is Vinod account debit to suspense account, because sales to Vinod credited to his account as 134, which means you need to credit 9 rupees more. Okay, and you need to debit this 143. So what you're supposed to do is you need to add 1 434 plus 143. Okay, so you are crediting 134 and you are debiting 134. Okay, it's see, sales to Vinod of rupees 143 credited to his account as 134. You are wrongly, it has to be debited. Okay, so what is the wrong credit? Wrong credit needs to be debited. Okay, and 143 needs to be credited. So in what account you will credit? In suspense account you will credit. So you'll write 277 here and 277 here. So I hope that you're able to understand this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, class.